Former President Uhuru Kenyatta says leaders must respect citizens to earn the respect of those they lead. The former president, who has kept away from public events after handing over power, made a notable return to the spotlight in Embu during the episcopal ordination and installation of Bishop Peter Kimani. The former president, a Catholic, called for greater unity within the country. Melita Oletenges reports.
It was a firm return to the public limelight after a long lull, a period of quiet despite the political turbulence that has shaken the country's political arena. Former President Uhuru Kenyatta coming face to face with President William Ruto more than a year after he fiercely condemned him for ordering a raid on his son's home in Karen. He appeared in high spirits as he attended the ordination of Reverend Peter Kimani as the Bishop of Embu Diocese, who he referred to as a close friend. The congregation erupted in cheers as he took to the podium. Perhaps not only a reconnection, but also a testament to the enduring influence he still holds in the region. Uhuru spoke about the strong bond he shares with Bishop Peter Kimani.
My friend, my Lord Bishop, unajua sasa hata kama wanakukaribisha hapa, mimi nimepoteza rafiki, siwezi kuwa na mtu nitakuwa tukicheka na yeye. Sasa namuogopa kwa sababu najua amepandishwa cheo. Anaweza kufunga maombi huko juu.
The former president calling for national unity, urging leaders to respect citizens if they expect to be respected in return.
Tuombee amani. Tuombee uwiano kati ya viongozi na wananchi. Tuache mambo ya ukabila na migogoro. Sisi wote ni Wakenya.
Uhuru steering clear of the ongoing political developments in the country that have sparked the beginning of realignments, but making a confession of sorts of his awareness of current affairs, saying he was but an observer.
Na Kenya haiwezi kufaulu watu wakiwa na utengemano, wakiwa watupiana maneno, wakiwa hawaheshimiani. Vile tumesema Bishop wa waheshimu, ni mtarudisha hiyo. Viongozi pia mheshimu wananchi na watarudisha hiyo.
He took a subtle swipe at politicians over the intolerance with the church.
Anakuhakikishia mimi sitaleta siasa kwa kanisa, mimi kuja mtambo tu ama yale mengine utakuona.
The former president telling the gathering of clergymen and Embu residents that he was averse to noise, perhaps a subtle hint.
Mimi Mheshimiwa Rais akimaliza kuongea mimi nitatoroka. Mambo ya speed hii na makelele siwezi siku hizi.
Uhuru Kenyatta's return to the public limelight happens at a time when the president's standing in the Mount Kenya region is shaky, informing a general feeling nationwide that the country is not headed in the right direction and recent political happenings. Melita Oletenges, Citizen TV.